You can make anything look miniature using a tilt shift. That's because a lot of things shot on a macro level, the lens has a small focus plane to work with. That's what causes these extreme blurs onto the sides of the image. You can totally replicate this look using a tilt shift lens. However, those can get a little bit pricey. Hey, so willkommen, I'm Hayden and this is cinematography. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get that same tilt shift look, just like they did in the movie Game Night, to get that kind of dollhouse effect. Go up to effects, and in the search, just type in tilt, and you'll see tilt shift blur. Just throw it on top right there. And it's already done. It's really, really simple. It's a plug and play, and it gives you a great result. And you can always come in here, you can grab your center point, and you can just change the direction, which you can actually animate this. So you can just come over here, we'll go to the beginning of our frame, we'll go to the center X, click the diamond, center Y, click the diamond, and our angle, click the diamond, and then go to the end, and we'll just move this over here, rotate it a bit, and you'll notice that it already keyframed those, so we can go back to the beginning, and it should play through our animated lens blur. And we just animated a tilt shift lens inside DaVinci for free without having to buy a tilt shift lens. If you want to learn more cinematic tips that you can use inside DaVinci Resolve, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out this video popping up right here that the algorithm thinks you would like to watch next. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.